Hey friends, so this is Andrew the Bearded Giant, and I'm going to do some more work on my welding table. I picked up some tube steel right here, some 8-foot sticks. They're 1 inch, and I got this vise. My uncle gave this to me. He had it bebopping around his shop for a while. It's just an extra vise. It's old, well used. It was missing a handle, so I put this pin in. At some point I'll fab something up, but that's a great addition to my little metal fab welding endeavor. So what I'm going to do today is take some of this 1-inch tube and create some cross members underneath my table and put a shelf in there. So let's get to it. All right, here we go. So I'm going to cut 2 sticks at 39.5 and then 3 sticks at 27 inches, and that should give me what I need. Well, that's an interesting lesson. This tube steel is much thinner walled than this angle iron, and I burned right through that, and I didn't even get a good weld. All right, let's pull this off, clean that up. See? Yeah, let's see what I can do to fix that. Alright, this has been a few days in the making. I'll probably introduce that at the beginning or something. Anyway, the problem I was having is this is thin walled tube, and I burned right through it trying to weld to the thicker walled angle iron I have. So you can see the difference there between these two, and due to my inexperience, I was burning right through this square tube. So what I decided to do is build the basic rack and then set it on top of some cut off pieces of this angle iron, and then just tack it to that. So that's what I'm going to do. I got my right angle here, I checked it. My piece is clamped down. All right, let's see what I can do. All right. I think I'm having fun. So I still don't find it easy to weld thin wall tube to thick wall angle iron, but it is on there, and I think it's on there pretty good. So now let's find a piece of wood, cut it to fit, and I'll have myself a shelf. Fun, fun, fun. That's stupid. All right, fun, fun, fun. That's stupid too. All right, here we go. Voila, one warped shelf. All right, just real quick through the vise, the saw, and the welder down there. Gonna clean up here, but so thanks for watching. Finished up some more work on my welding table, and I look forward to sharing. I wonder if that's annoying. I look forward to sharing more videos with you. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, comment, dislike if you dislike it, that's fine. Share any feedback you have, any advice. That's all good. Thank you. All right, peace out. Woohoo!